If your on-streaming device feels slow or laggy, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you 5 simple ways to speed it up, improve performance, and make your on-streaming device feel much smoother and more responsive. Welcome back to ONN TV Hacks. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more ONN TV tips, settings, fixes, and tutorials. Let's get started. The first step is simply to restart your on-streaming device. Restarting clears temporary memory, closes background processes, and can help fix lag, freezing, and connection issues. To restart your device, open Settings, scroll down and select System. Then scroll to the bottom and choose Restart. Once your device restarts, give it a few seconds to fully load and then check if navigation feels smoother. The second thing you should do to speed up your on-streaming device is clear the cache and free up some storage. Over time, apps build up temporary files, and these can take up space and sometimes make your device feel slower or cause apps to lag. To clean things up, first go to Settings. Once the Settings menu opens, scroll down and select System. Now scroll down again and choose Storage. From there, select Free Up Storage. Here, you can clear cached files and also uninstall any unnecessary apps you no longer use. This helps free up space and can make your on-streaming device run more smoothly. The third thing you can check is the background process limit on your on-streaming device. Before you can access this setting, though, you'll first need to enable developer options. Start by opening Settings. Once the menu appears, scroll down until you find System, and then select it. Next, scroll down again and open About. From here, keep scrolling until you find Android tvOS Build. Now click Android tvOS Build several times until you see a message confirming that developer options have been enabled. Once that's done, go back to the System menu, scroll down and open Developer Options. From here, keep scrolling until you find Background Process Limit. Open it and make sure it is set to Standard Limit. This is the default and safest option, allowing on-streaming device to manage background apps automatically without overly restricting them, which can otherwise cause apps to reload more often or affect performance. The fourth thing I recommend is reducing the animation speed. Select Developer Options again, then scroll down until you find Window Animation Scale. Keep scrolling. Open it and change it from 1x to 0.5x. Then do the same for Transition Animation Scale and Animator Duration Scale, setting both of them to 0.5x as well. This won't make the processor itself faster, but it can make your own device feel much quicker when you're moving through menus. Once you make these changes, menu transitions should feel faster, and the whole interface should feel a lot more responsive. The fifth thing I recommend is checking for a software update on your on-streaming device. Updates can fix bugs, improve stability, and sometimes help the device run more smoothly. To check, open Settings, scroll down, and select System. Then open About and select System Update. Your ONN device will now check for any available updates. If one is available, just follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Make sure the device stays connected to power and the internet during the update. Once it finishes, your ONN box may restart automatically and should be ready to use again. And that's it. These are 5 simple ways to speed up your on-streaming device and make it feel smoother and more responsive. If these tips helped improve your device speed, make sure to like the video and subscribe to ONN TV Hacks for more ONN TV settings, fixes, and tutorials. Also, check out ONNTVHacks.com for more step-by-step guides and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.